Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Mercedes-Benz emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a new Mercedes-Benz emblem, a plastic pry tool to protect your paint, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure your vehicle's surface around the emblem is clean and dry. This prevents scratches and ensures proper adhesion for the new emblem. Working in a well-lit area will also make the process much easier to see. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Take your plastic pry tool and carefully insert it under the edge of the existing emblem. Apply gentle, consistent pressure to slowly lift it. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging your vehicle's paint or the mounting area. Once the emblem is off, thoroughly clean the area to remove any old adhesive or residue. This ensures a smooth, clean surface for the new emblem. With the surface clean, it's time to install your new emblem. Carefully align the new Mercedes-Benz emblem with the mounting holes or designated area. Many emblems have alignment pins or adhesive backing for easy placement. Once aligned, press down firmly and evenly across the entire emblem. Hold it in place for about 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. Double-check that it's level and centered for a perfect finish. After installation, take a moment to inspect your work. Ensure the new emblem is securely attached and perfectly aligned. Give the surrounding area a final wipe with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges, leaving your Mercedes-Benz looking pristine. Remember, a small detail like a fresh emblem can make a big difference. Also, if you love reading, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.